stage also, everywhere we have mentioned ghpuedu.org as well as online.ghpuedu.org. If you visit this, we have 4,000 plus, not 10 or 20, we have 4,000 plus courses available for students across, because one biggest vision, mission and goal for you is to make education accessible to every child across the globe. So, very institute today you are going to receive this award. And this 4,000 plus courses right now across the globe, more than 6,000 plus students are studying at this moment I speak. And not only that, and more than what GHPU does, and another institute along with GHPU, which is Bharat Sevak Samaj. Let me tell you what this particular institute does. It visits the village, even the bus facility will not be there, a very remote village. Even our Bharat Sevak Samaj people visit there and choose the candidates between 20 to 30 years of age who have no educational background and give them vocational skill development training. For example, tailoring or beauticians. So those kind of skill development training the Bharat Sevak Samaj does and gives them for 1 to 3 months of time. And what happens after this 1 or 3 months, right? Their skill improves. Now they can earn for them. When they start earning for them, because at 30 years of stage they can go to school, they can't go to college, right? But if they have a skill, then they can start earning for themselves. Then the quality of their particular life improves, their family improves, of course, the whole village gets improved. Always our Mahatma Gandhi said, the heart of our country lies on the rural, right? And GHPU, the vision of GHPU is empowering the rural community and improvising the quality of life of every single individual, because that's why we call it as a human rights. It is right for every individual to be in this earth with full dignity and knowledge as well as with the respect. And not only that, another mind-blowing thing the Global Human Resource University does is, for example, let's say a person is a mechanic, okay? You have, maybe if you travel here, you have seen a lot of mechanics shop. So he may have like around 15 years of experience in doing the mechanic stuff. He may not have a traditional education, he may not have a mechanical engineering degree, but he has the skill that he wanted, right? Even more than an engineer also sometimes, right? So what the GHPU does at this time is, because even if the person wants to get a loan, he may not be able to get a loan because he don't have a degree. Even if the person wants to get married also, nobody will be ready to give a bridal gift to them because there is no such degree. Now, what happens, the GHPU brings these candidates who are well expertise but lack of education